In conclusion, we found that gliding paper airplanes tended to fly farther than those unable to glide. We also learned that some planes flipped and flew upside down or made sharp turns, making them veer off course and fly backwards. Some planes also had too much front weight, causing them to fly straight into the ground. Our hypothesis was incorrect, and that's okay. We can learn from it next time. The Arrowhead was consistently the furthest, but every now and then it would have an outburst with the plane, traveling over 11 meters. By far the farthest among the planes, we think the Long Ranger would have gone farther, maybe beating the Arrowhead, if it would have flown in a straight line.